Hi everyone. Mathematics is one of the basic school subjects, but while some people find exact sciences enlightening, others consider them to be incredibly boring. And now, we're going to prove to you that even something as tedious as numbers can be fascinating. Further still, if you do know your maths, you can surprise and entertain